Welcome back, Crammers, to question 25. A cinema increased the cost of an adult ticket by 12%. After the increase, the cost of the adult ticket was 18.2 pounds. Work out the cost of the adult ticket before the increase. So we can see that it increased by 12. And the value before it was 100%. Now they added 12. So the new value is 112%. So if we're able to divide 18.2 by 112, we simply multiply by 100 again, and we will find the original value. And we can use our calculator here to find our answer, which is 18.2 divided by 112 times 100, which gives us 16.25 pounds. 16.25 pounds. And that is our final answer. Thanks for watching. Cram, then scram.